What's going on, everyone? My name is Mark Milano and welcome back to an Adobe Photoshop tutorial where I'm going to be showing you guys how to blur the background of any photo. And I'm going to tell you guys something right now. This is an extremely easy tutorial and I hope you guys stick around. So to start off, this is actually a photo of my friend Steve that I took at my first ever photo shoot. So this is a pretty memorable photo for me anyway. Yeah, so we're going to blur the background of this photo. It is mostly graffiti, well it's all graffiti. And it's really simple and easy to blur it out. And just like any of my other Photoshop tutorials, we're going to start off by doing the same thing. We're going to go ahead here, we're going to uncheck the background, lock, and we're going to make a duplicate by clicking on the original layer here and dropping it on the duplicate button. Now we have a duplicate of the original photo. That's exactly what we want. Now for step 2, we want to click on the original layer and we want to go ahead and we want to click the quick selection tool. Now that we have the quick selection tool selected, we want to go up and I'm going to raise the size of the quick selection tool. So I'm actually going to go and make a quick selection of the original photo. So yeah, just do it like this, and remember, we're doing a quick selection of only the background, or in other words, we're doing a quick selection of only the part that you want to be blurred out. So this is what we're going to be doing, and I'm going to speed it up so you guys can watch it, but I'm not going to sit here and do it because it might take me a couple seconds to do this because it becomes very irritating. And yeah, so I'm going to go and I'm going to speed this process up. So now that we have a quick selection of the original photo and only the part that we want blurred out, we can go on to step 3, which is really easy. We just want to click on the duplicate of the original photo and hit backspace once. And it's going to remove the background from the photo. So we could go ahead and remove the original photo and only Steve is there. And this is exactly what we want. So now we could go ahead, click on the original photo, go off the filter, go off the blur, and then hit Gaussian blur, and it's gonna blur out the photo. Just like that. It is just that easy to do it. So I'm gonna keep it on 26.3, and as you can see, if I hit Control D, we have a blurred out background, and it literally took us like 2 minutes to do that. So I mean, just go ahead, try it out for yourself. If you have any questions, comment down in the section below, and I'll be able to help you out through there, hopefully. Anyway, my name is Mark Milano. I really hope this tutorial helped you out. And yeah, I mean, I'm always open to constructive criticism, so also head down to the comment section below and tell me how I'm doing, good or bad. Always open for that. And as I said, my name is Mark Milano, and I'll see you all in the next video.